Well, I am having a go at sharpening my own hooks, and it's going pretty well so far. They are mega sharp. This little gadget here is a must-have. I know there's loads of obviously hook holders out there. I mean, Nash do that little spinny thing. I mean, I'm sure it's amazing, but I don't know if you can hear that. That is hypodermic needle sharp. I'm going to say it's sharper. Little Swiss file. Yeah, and just practice. Practice, practice, practice. And it's working. I mean, I'll get one of these hooks and do the same thing. And it's just like a dull thud. It's not sharp. I mean, don't get me wrong, they will do the trick out the packet. But this, I haven't got a very good camera. And it doesn't really show the quality of it, but it's sharp. Tell you what, we'll do a little vid of me sharpening one. Just pop that in there like that. Give it a little tighten, and literally and just keep passing over it until you're happy with it, I suppose. And that is sharp. Happy days. Hopefully I'll get out on the bank soon.